How's it going, guys? My name is Jack Nelson. This is my I Am Mover video. I'm currently a senior at Winona State, finishing up my last couple classes here this summer before graduation, starting grad school. Uh, Originally an elementary education major, but switched to independent studies with a coaching minor because of job opportunity. Be able to grad assist with the football team this fall. I'm also originally from Byron, Minnesota, a small town about an hour west here, about 5 minutes west of Rochester. The first activity I chose is football. Currently, like I said, I'm a grad assistant for the football team. I spent 4 years playing here, spent 5 years playing in high school and all that stuff. I played quarterback here, and now I'm coaching receivers. It's something I really love doing my whole entire life. It's a great way to be competitive, but it's also a great way to stay active. I obviously still do it. Uh, Maybe not as much as I would when I was playing, but I still do it just to keep active. Obviously through coaching and playing every once in a while, just doing drills and such. The next activity I picked up kind of recently is golf. In high school, I never really had time for golfing or anything like that. Any leisure activities, always sports, sports, sports. So I was able to pick up golf here within the next year and a half. Still don't play very much, but something I like to do when I have time. Get out on the course and just a couple buddies and play a little bit. It's a good way to stay active. It's a good way to stay fit. Yeah, that's about it for my Mover video.